Hi there people, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you something different, really different. So I made a WordPress plugin that's actually gonna work. But first up, let me show you what my plugin does. Okay, I'm going to the page section. I'm opening a page for my plugin shortcuts. I put it on. Here is on. Actually, I made the plugin front end by using local languages. That's why we are seeing like this. Anyway, what this plugin does is keeping this form and taking some user input and send it to the backend. Let me show you a demonstration. First up, it's a plugin that can use for some custom services. Also, it can save some images, so it would be easier to manage the customer. But first of all, let me show you some demonstration so you will understand better. After that, I will reveal the coding part, that how I code it. Actually, I'm not a professional coder or programmer, but I somehow managed it by using artificial intelligence, or you may say the chatbot. Then we're going to give my phone number for demonstration purpose. I'm giving some random numbers. After that, we have to give some address. After that part, we have to select the services. You can see the services does have some pricing. I know the pricing is in local languages, but on the backend, I took it on English, so it would be easier for us to understand. So I'm selecting two of the services. Then we can set an image in here. And for the profile image, you can see the person, very well who is it. Then after that, we can choose the additional images. In additional images, we can have at least 5 images at a time. So we're going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 images open. And the loading button, you can see here the loading level. This is made by CSS and JavaScript. I will show you later. Then you can see a nice little button here. When I'm clicking on the order button, then this information will be transferred to the database and will be shown in here on the WordPress backend. So I'm clicking on order. Then after that, we can have our data to the backend. Sometimes it really takes time. Okay, you can see order submission is successful. Okay, let me show you on the backend. Now it's empty, and I'm refreshing it or clicking onto the plugin icon. See, an order received here. So no commerce in here. You can see in this website there is no commerce in here. We're just collecting some customer information or some custom orders. So in here, status section, you can see I have added a drop-down button where you can select processing, complete or reject. And in details, if you are clicking on the details, then you can see the order details. Here is the name field, here is the phone number field, here is the address field, here is the email field, here is the brand name, Facebook link, and the WhatsApp link. But the problem is you can just edit in here. You can see no editing here. I missed this program, but you can also delete this. I never missed it. And in here, you can see the service name. You can see basic WordPress website subscription and the pricing in here. Then another service here and the pricing in here. And you can see the total price you can see by here. And on the image section, you can see all of my images are shown. Somehow it's not showing. Yeah, for some reason the image is not revealed in here. But we can download these things by clicking on the download. You can see. You can save as to where I want to save. Click on save, then save it. Okay, you can also replace the images if we want. Let me show you. See, additional image replaced successfully. Click on OK, and you see the image is also replaced. So this was the plugin features, except this edit button. I just give up while working on the edit button. So let me show you the backend in here. But first, let me know that I'm not a professional programmer or coder. Okay, but I understand some little thing about the PHP programming languages. That's how I can build it. Otherwise, I will suffer and suffer lots and lots more. Even I have the ChatGPT. Okay, in here you can see the front-end table sections, which identify the data field or data types in here. After that, you can see here another function, handle service order submission form, and this will handle the order submission. So on the front end value, we have service order service element, and the front end value name, showing to the customers is the name here, our service name. So we can change that later, so it won't affect on here. But you can see I have did a lot of these things. Also this JavaScript things also connected on the PHP side. Also the CSS things is connected to the PHP side. All of these things, what I have done is just binding the AI. It took me around 3 to 4 days to build the plugin, but it still have some faults in it, like the edit button. I never fixed it. I really don't have much time to fix it. You can see I have sent all of my data to the ChatGPT, and I said what I need. And after that, ChatGPT sent me another program, coding. And after doing the thing, what ChatGPT says, another said what the problem is appearing. After doing that, then so many stuff. If I scroll this, you can see in 4 days we have a lot of conversation, really big conversation. So guys, this was the video for today. See you next time with some creative new videos, I think. Till then, stay safe and bye bye.